All right, we've got an active radar out to the west. This storm will not impact San Antonio, but we could see some develop tomorrow. Let me show you what's going on in Edwards County, miles away from us over the Texas Hill Country. This is good recharge rain. The aquifer, it's under 630 feet. We need every drop of this to help our J17 well. So it's near Rock Springs where we're seeing this storm bloom up, and this severe thunderstorm warning in effect until 11 p.m. It's in northern Edwards County, and the good news is, of course, the most populated town in Edwards County is the county seat of Rock Springs, and it looks like the brunt of this storm will go off to the north of Rock Springs and be heading right across Highway 59 right now. The hail core is not too impressive. You know, to be honest with you, this is really small hail. I mean, it's got to be reaching the minimum of 1 inch in diameter to be a severe thunderstorm warning. So that's a radar indication that we're getting hail about the size of a quarter on this. And again, it's only Edwards County heading up towards Junction. Again, a real far cry from San Antonio, where things are quiet tonight. Skies are partly cloudy to mostly clear. We've got the winds under 10 miles per hour, so the flags aren't moving, 76. But the key is a northeast wind. So the dew point has gone up to 62, and that's typical for the evening hours, but it's spent most of the day in the 50s. So that's really nice. And we've got some 50-degree dew points heading in for the weekend as well. We're going to get that new weather pattern by Friday. But in the meantime, we still have enough upper air energy and a short wave that's going to move across for another good chance of showers and thunderstorms on Thursday afternoon and evening. Dew points will be there, mid-60s across most of the area, dipping into the 50s as we get into Friday afternoon. But because of the weather setup, we've got a 1 out of 5 chance of seeing severe weather tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night. Now, keep in mind, it's only half of San Antonio. It does not include New Braunfels or Bernie or even Kerrville, and it goes up to a 2 out of 5 along the Rio Grande. That does not mean a thunderstorm is out of the forecast for these areas. It's just not expected to turn severe, and it's a very slight to minimal chance for even San Antonio by tomorrow afternoon and evening. So let's look at 2 models. First, the HRRR, and you can see a pretty good storm line that does develop and move through by Friday morning. And then even into Friday morning, a few leftover showers. Now, this is the model that's been doing the best job as of late. The graph is showing us by about 4 p.m. isolated storms as far east as Uvalde, but the main line over Del Rio really comes together by about 8 or 9 o'clock tomorrow night. And you can see hitting right on top of San Antonio what could be some pretty strong storms. These are the ones expected to turn severe south of Uvalde, pushing farther east by 11 o'clock and into the midnight hour to the Texas coast. And again, setting up a really nice north breeze for a fabulous Mother's Day weekend. That's right, moms get all weekend, even though it's on Sunday for Mother's Day. Give them Friday, Saturday, Sunday for that matter. All right, weather impact alert because some of those storms could get strong to severe. We'll keep a close eye. 86, then the fabulous weather's in. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. In fact, Mother's Day morning, 58. And with the north breeze, humidity won't be too bad. One thing's for sure, get ready for some heat mid-May, and that's what we're looking at on the second 7 of this 14-day, 96s. Waiting for us on the 16th and 17th, Nate.